Shalom. What's going on? What's going on, fellas? And obedient sisters. We're going to start at 8:05. Wait for some people to get up in this biatch. Oh, we got some heat tonight. We got some people that's butthurt. Hold up. Hold up. We're going to start at 8:05. I got some shit to put up. You know what I mean? I know a lot of people come over here disguised learning. It's all good. With fake accounts and shit. Nah, I'm watching. That's what's up. We finna get it in tonight. 11 watching. We finna get it in tonight. Yeah, get them likes up. We got somebody mad. Ain't nobody mad but the devil. Shalom, Mike C. Darth in here. Big deal still. What's the deal? Scully. No Mas. What's up? D-Sin. Brother Dion. We finna get it in. I'm finna show some shit tonight. Give y'all a push. This is the Alpha Male channel. This is for all the alpha males that say, hey, we want to be happy. We don't want to be putting up. What it say? We all know the child support is a private business of a private corporation. Okay. We finna have some fun, fellas. Get them lights up. I'm finna break down this. I'm finna tear this application down. Shalom, Serious Black. I'm finna tear it down. And I'm finna show you case law where you can go after your baby mama in the feds. What's up? Because she is the real obligor. Okay? Ain't nobody mad but the devil. They don't want to hear this truth. The devil and the demons don't want to hear this. We're going to crush some demons tonight. We the demon killers. What's up, Brother Bowman in this bitch? I'm going to sing a song for y'all. Victory is mine. Victory is mine. Y'all need to be saying that. We all about being happy. We already. What's up, Brother Ron? What's up? Get them lights up. Pussy ass niggas put the lights down. Pussies. All the pussies in here hiding and shit. Put the dislike down because we finna make you look stupid anyway. I don't give a fuck about that validation shit. I don't give a fuck about that. I ain't on here to be famous. Okay? Kenny C. Williams, what's the goddamn deal? Shit. We ain't on here to be famous. We're on here to give results. Y'all want to see results. You want to see the truth. Right? We got 1 more minute left. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I mean? Abraham, look, Benjamin Franklin said honesty is the best policy. Honesty is the best policy in business, nigga. Now it's 8:05. Let's start. I like to reserve our United States constitutional rights, freedom of speech, and everything that rides with it. We ain't no anti-government. We ain't anti-sheriff, police, none of that. We don't fuck with the help. You know what I mean? We don't look down on the help. They need to make money. It's a job. It's a job. It's a 9 to 5. You know what I mean? But if they come fucking with us, they getting sued. All right? Remember that. Don't start no shit. Won't be no shit. And that's what we live by over here at Shamstoppers. Let's get it. Now, I don't know if y'all can see this child support application. Okay? I'm going to show y'all 3 things today. Can y'all see it? Let me know. Can y'all see it? And oh yeah, before we start too, Brother Darth has won the book. He won the book, Darth. Y'all, whoever send me your email first or text me first, I put a book in the mail for you. Okay? Hold on. I'm finna put it up. Can y'all see it now? All right, hold on. There we go. Let's get to it. We're finna break this down. All right. Look at this. This is Tennessee. All of them the same in every city, every state. Okay? Look what it says at the top. It is the agency's desire to act in the best interest of you and your children at all times. Therefore, we want to give you some important information regarding how your case will be handled. All right, fellas, that sentence right there. Check this out. Therefore, we want to give you some important information regarding how your case will be handled. Whose case? Fellas, you didn't go down here and sign that. Somebody said they can't see it. It's her case, fellas. Hold on. Look at this. Important about the application for child support services. You see that shit? Hold up a second. Y'all see that? Information about the applicant for child support services, right? Look at all her shit she give up. That's her shit. Right? Information about the residential parent. You see that? I just pulled it up. Bear with me. This shit is lagging. It says last name. Let me let it catch up. Okay, it says last name. Your name goes here. Did you write your name on here? Huh? No, you did not. You didn't write your name on here nowhere. She wrote that. That's forgery and that's invasion of privacy. That's fraud. Okay? She is doing that shit. Look, living address, mailing address. Look at that shit. Fellas, you didn't sign this damn application. Therefore, you have no obligation. Look at that. I'm finna crush all the niggas on here on YouTube talking about it's the agency. It's the agency. Look at that shit. Information about the alternate residential parent. Look at that. Look at that. Hold up. Let me go where it says Social Security number. You see Social Security number right here? Birthplace, all that. Y'all didn't fill that shit out, did you? No, fellas. She is liable and her caseworker is liable. Okay? Her caseworker is liable. They both co-mingling. Okay? Look at that. Cars and trucks. Look at your shit up there. Look at your shit up here. Exactly. Parent either she invaded your privacy. Look at that shit. What kind of car you drive, motorcycle, all that, real estate, bank account, all that. Look at that shit. Talking about some child support, medical support, and all that other shit. Look, you got the information about your children. Hold on, don't go nowhere. It's gonna get better, fellas. Oh, you're gonna love it. You're going to love it. You got a nigga on YouTube talking about the agency compelled her to do this shit. I'm gonna show you how the agency ain't compelled her to do a goddamn thing. She wanted to do it because she wanted you to be a slave of her and pay for her to have her another nigga. Look at that shit. Renting your children out and shit. Shame on you bitches. Now, I'm gonna let it catch up. Look at this shit, man. I'm finna drill this in y'all head, common sense. Now, who put that name right there on I? Who put their name right here? Do you put your name right there? Huh? No, you don't put your damn name right there. She put her shit there. First line. The child support attorney handling my case. So therefore, fellas, it ain't your case for the last time. This, look, I'm gonna read it again. The child support attorney handling my case represents the state of Tennessee, not me personally. Let me keep going down. Because somebody said somebody compelled her to do this shit. Yeah, Brother Dion, you can sue the shit out of her. Identity theft, invasion of privacy, all that shit. Look at this shit right here. And that's why I'm finna end this it's the agency bullshit today. All right? Because they here to perform a service. And what she doing is, fellas, she's giving the obligor liability on you without you even saying anything. Because if she told you one-on-one, hey, I need you to sign this so I can get you, so you can give me some money, would you niggas sign that shit? No. Look, I must repay to the state any money that I overpaid or is sent to me in error. Oh, check this shit out. Check this shit out. We're going to read A and B. I am personally liable for the return of any amounts I receive in error or correct an overpayment. Oh, an overpayment of what? Tax-free money. You know what I mean? Look at that. You see that shit? Okay, Mike C. You get the book. Gotcha. It's on the way. By checking the consent box at the end of this paragraph, I am indicating consent to automatically withholding without further notice from any future support payments collected on my behalf of the amounts paid to me in error until the balance is paid full. My consent is optional. So she was not compelled to do anything. She knew what she was doing. She was in her conscience. Her conscience told her to do it, right? Because you got some of y'all family members rocking with your baby mama, and we're going to come out with a video this week, family members rocking with your baby mama, and I'm going to tear that shit up too. This is an alpha male service. This ain't for beta males. Look what she say. My consent is optional. The services I receive will not be affected by the choice I make. If I give consent and later change my mind, I must notify the child support office in writing that I wish to withdraw my consent. Right? What's up? Oh, she can withdraw her consent, but you can't? Huh? I did some paperwork for some niggas long time ago to withdraw their fucking consent. Some of them made it and some pussy niggas didn't. She can withdraw her consent, but you can't? Oh, no, player. It don't work that way. It don't work that way. If I do not give consent to withholding my check, I do not consent by. Look at that shit. It's her shit. Now, look at the signature part. Who signs that shit? Further, I swear and affirm that I have read this affirmation acknowledgement. I declare and understand it fully and agree with its terms. She signed her name right here. What's up? Huh? What's up? She signed her name right there. So what that means, fellas, the child support belongs to her. She is the obligor. Okay? She is, in fact, the obligor. Okay? Real talk. Now I'm going to put up what is the obligor. What is the obligor? Exactly. Fellas, y'all can get off child support. Y'all can beat the shit. An obligor, known as a debtor, is a person or entity who is legally or contractually obligated to provide a benefit or payment to another. Your baby mama. In a financial context, the term obligor refers to a bond issuer. The application, the agency issued a bond for her to sign, and she bonded your name for you to become the surety. What's up? Who is contractually bound to make all principal repayments. And the repayment of what? Repayments. What are you repaying? Huh? Come on, fellas. Come on. And interest payments, outstanding debt. Yes. Go to Webster's dictionary, my brother. The fat ass one, where it says someone has to volunteer and place himself as an obligor. Can't nobody place you as an obligor but you. So you guys been bamboozled. The recipient of the benefit or payment is known as the obligee. Obligee means creditor. You ain't borrowed nothing from nobody. She did. So she done put you, she done went from obligor to obligee, and the agency went to obligee, knowing that you guys are the obligees. And the agency and her the obligors, because the agency is poor too, because they borrow money from the federal government. How that is, fellas? How that is? Huh? How is that? Huh? Brother Carlos in the house. Volunteer, yes. If look, if somebody volunteered you for something, you can get their ass for fraud. And look, check this out. If you sign the child support paperwork, if you volunteer, you can unvolunteer. You can take their you can take your signature back. If she got the right to withdraw her signature or consent, you have the same rights. You know what I mean? Real talk. Fellas, you don't owe nothing to nobody unless you agree to it. Unless you want to pay for it. Covenants. Okay? Now check this shit out. Hold on. Now, you don't need no 9 elements of fraud. That's too much work. You don't need to do all that. That's too much. Sounding like a woman now. That's too much shit. Doing too much. Doing the most. Check this shit out. Credit card application. It's the same thing as the application from the court. Same thing. You got the child support application. You got the consumer credit card application. Look at that shit. Co-applicant. Fella, she made you the co-applicant. No, it ain't must be proven. No, you ain't gotta do all that. That's too much. It don't take no 9. It don't take no 9 elements. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No 9 elements. Ain't no 9 elements, no fraud. Anyway, signatures. Look at that. You see that? Co-applicant. Yes, really. They got to have your permission. If you didn't give nobody permission to sign your name on shit, that's fraud, player. Now, I'm finna hit y'all with some cold shit now. Nine elements of fraud. Shit, you sound like a lawyer. Look at this, fellas. Y'all see this? You see this? Read this, fellas. A unanimous court concluded that a private person is deemed to act under color of state law if he or she willfully participate in joint action with the state or its agents. Do you see that? Yeah, I went to paralegal school. Exactly. Exactly. And you know the coldest man told me, you got to read books. You ain't gonna get no shit just reading off the damn internet and reading they manuals and shit. You got to get in these goddamn books. You damn right. We got results over here. I get in these books. That's why we got over here at Shamstoppers results. Why is it blacked out? You want to send a donation so you can read the rest of it? Read what it say. Don't ask me no questions. Read what it say. You see what it say, right? A unanimous court concluded that a private person is deemed to act under state of law if he or she is a willful participant in a joint action with the state or its agents. Real talk. I'm like Picasso, nigga. You remember what Picasso told his customers when they paid $3,000, right? Why you pay me $3,000 for my painting? Nigga, you ain't paying for the payment. You ain't paying for the painting. You paying for the experience that I got. You ain't got to confirm it. We got our results confirm it over here. Our motherfucking results confirm it over here. That's what confirms it. Put up some more testimonies, put up some proof, and then I'll show you this book. Real talk. Step your game up. Step your motherfucking game up. Exactly. Where are your results? Where they at? That's what I'm asking you. Step your game up, player. We can put up a debate. We can go head to head for some money. But you charge for consultations, I give them for free. Put your money with your mouth is. Let's go with it. Come on with it. Welcome to Shamstoppers. This ain't Deception Stoppers. Welcome. Let's get it. I ain't in love with no woman. Let's get it. Let's do a debate. 2 rats. Oh, awesome. I didn't think so. Woo! Hey, man. Put up some facts, I mean. Come on, your turn. Hey, the burden of proof on you now, baby. What's up? Private individuals. You ain't gonna beat no agency. You ain't gonna beat no $1 trillion agency. You ain't gonna beat no agency, I mean. Get out of that fairy tale. Get out of unicorn land. You dreaming, player. That shit over with. Hang that shit up. Change the game up, player. Or get left behind. You know what I'm talking about? We tried to collab with you a long time ago, but you said, no, you want validation. No, you don't want results. You want validation, and we're going to give you that. You know what I mean? Yep, you came out with all that stuff. You know what I mean? They changed that shit. You know what I mean? You got to change your game up, too. You got to change clothes like Jay-Z say. Learn how to change your clothes, player. I already showed these men on here, they can get their children through a habeas corpus. You ain't tell them that. We get these brothers free consultations. You know what I mean? When they call in, they tell us our problem. I mean, they problem. We listen to them. We have a problem. We'll try to set them a resolution, resolve something. You know what I mean? Real talk. But me, I'm real. I mean, I'm not gonna talk shade and shoot no subliminal and go run with some other niggas. I ain't run. Them your homeboys, you run with your homeboys. You know what I mean? Because you're getting sensitive and emotional right now. This ain't no beta male service. This is all man shit. You know what I'm talking about? I don't love my baby mamas, nigga. I love my children. Did you say try? Yes, we tried to collab with you, me and Kish. But you know what? We got two brothers now. We got two brothers that's on. We got the Mexican Shamstoppers, and we have another brother by the name of G. Alex. You know what I mean? Gibber. Your homeboys who you be shouting out, and you be throwing subliminal message. You be doing subliminal shit. You know what I'm talking about? See, you think I'm slow and stupid, but I let you think that I am. I'm smarter than what you think I am. I give you a chance, bro. I don't come from no raggedy ass family. You know what I'm talking about? You see it on the screen though. You go after that woman. No. Y'all want subscribers and shit. We deal with results over here. Now, I ain't fighting with nobody. Because y'all do y'all little talking behind the scenes. Dude, I'm not stupid, bro. I'm way smarter than y'all. You just don't know it. I'm 10 times smarter than y'all. We ain't fighting the same beast because you niggas don't want to say nothing about these bitches out here. So this what separates the shit. You know what I'm talking about? Go to our page. Go to our page, I mean. Stop playing retarded. You know what I'm talking about? That slick talk shit. That slick talk shit won't work here down south, player. Real talk. Now, we'll let you have your fun or whatever. We don't come to your podcast. You know what I mean? We don't come to your podcast. This shit is free over here. Shit, nobody be on child support looking at our fucking shit. You know what I'm talking about? So you can think what you want to think. Ain't nothing wrong with thinking when you dealing with Shamstoppers, player. And people talking about fighting the same. We fighting the same beast. No, we not. We fighting this bitch that put your ass on child support. And if none of you bitch ass niggas ain't trying to fight this woman who put your ass on child support, enjoy paying her sucking some new cock. That's what the fuck you do. Because I'm not finna do it. Why am I so excited? Because I'm so excited because I'm abundant. That's why. We have a shitload of results with less subscribers. That's why I'm excited for Shamstoppers, baby. That's why. You know what I'm talking about? No, you're not gonna see the case. You know what I mean? Show us some shit. You put up a free podcast and all that shit. Exactly. You still love a pussy, I mean. Just say you eat pussy, bro. Say you love eating pussy. Right? I don't pay child support. You never said that. I'm not on child support. Nigga, you never said that. Your own client made videos talking about you and shit. You know what I mean? Your own client came out. What was his name? Yas Magnified? He came out and went crazy on you. You got female tendencies, dude. I didn't want to tell you that at first, but now I'm telling you, you got female tendencies, my brother. You got female tendencies. You got female tendencies. You got female ways, I mean. You know what I mean? We got results, player. And I ain't got to play with you or nobody else. Go play with them niggas you side with. It's me, all them people. You go do that shit. Because that agency shit, the agency ain't shut down yet. They not gonna shut down because your ass putting that shit up. You know what I mean? Give that shit up, dude. Stop smoking that shit. You smoking all that weed over there. You know what I mean? It's frying your shit. Stay off them drugs, nigga. You know what I mean? Stay off them drugs, player. We don't do drugs over here. We drug free. We drug free over here. See, I know your little game. You want to come over here and disrupt because you got so many followers, right? It's all good. No, you want me to tell them how you shut them down? Stop paying child support, and that's how you shut them down. Stop paying this shit. Duh. Stop feeding it. Stay focused. No, you stay focused. You off the center line. You taking up for the motherfucker that's persecuting you. You got to refocus. You got to refocus, I mean. Refocus, dog. It's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. Say it with me. I mean, type that shit in right now. It's the bitch, the bitch, the bitch. Come over here and join the winner's circle. Hey, I mean, I stopped paying. I mean, you won a 1983 case because the police beat you, right? Assault and battery, right? Come over here and join the winner's circle. I mean, stop thinking you better than everybody. You ain't better than everybody. I was winning when I came through my mama coochie hole. You know what I mean? Well, okay, we'll stay on the sideline. I know you coming over here to get some knowledge. You know what I'm talking about? It's okay. You know? I mean, bruh, put it like this, I mean, I got a client who just reached out to me and said that you stopped answering his phone calls. That's something we don't do over here at Shamstoppers. We pick up this phone. You know what I'm talking about? See, you got everybody fooled. You ain't got me fooled. I just gave you props when I came on the scene, and I just took the shit over. We took your shit over. And no, you can't have it back. Okay? So sit on that sideline and enjoy the scenery. Okay? Don't play or hate, participate. Okay, cool. They say worse. Exactly. They say worse, right? Whatever. Them beta males. They all beta males they went to you. And their ass ain't off child support because they wasn't patient enough. The guys that you see in there that's getting off child support, they was patient. Exactly. You saw my old paperwork. Correct. You see that old paperwork that you copied off of, correct? The shit you got that you try to use. Right? Step your game up, I mean. Bring out a testimony this week. Bring out a testimony this week. You got thousands of followers. Bring out a testimony this week. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Hold on, let me invite some people over here. Let me invite some witnesses. Hold up. Hold up. I'm glad you stopped by, player. JC finna come in here. JC.
What's happening, brother?
What's up, man?
What's cracking? Dude, I'm having so much fun tonight. It's Sunday fun day.
Yeah.
Sunday fun day, fellas.
My brother. Are you on child support?
Hell no. A man knows. I talked to him. He knows my voice. We talked. We have talked since 2017. I told him I never pay. And then I have never had a warrant for my arrest. Never have to give up my licenses. Never been canceled on my passport. I still get on my at the airport on plane. So what? What's up? I still register cars if I want to register cars, right?
Right.
So there you go. No, man, because you don't go after that little fucking title on a piece of paper known as the 45 CFR yada yada BS. You go after the person who did it. You're fucking betraying bitch. That's it. Come on, man. Stop being the cowards. Put your pants on. I still have my mommy and my daddy together. They love each other, and they taught me one thing. My mama told me, you are the man, you wear the pants. What's up, fellas? Put your game on.
Hey, wasn't it your testimony? The last testimony we did was yours, right?
Yeah, we did. It's right there. We have a video about it. And I told everybody, that's when we said, hey, we're going to create the Mexican Shamstoppers. Why? Because this is the idea. If somebody considers you illegal, how can it be legal for them to take your money? How can you take legal money from an illegal?
Check this out.
Common sense.
I mean, I'm not distracted. You distracted. You coming over here thinking you run Shamstoppers.
No.
When you come over here, you come to somebody's house, you're supposed to show respect. Like if I come to Shamstoppers, I'm going to show respect. I ain't finna throw no subliminals or any none of that shit. But you got the game fucked up. You know what I mean? My mom and them ain't raised me. My dad and his uncles and cousins did play. I was raised by males. So you need to have some respect when you come over here.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Correctamundo.
You know what I mean?
Between men, either you respect or you get exactly what you get, man. You disrespect a man, you get exactly what you get. Slap in the face. You disrespecting nobody's house, man.
You know what I mean? Like I say, fellas, anybody in here, send us your email. We're going to have a drawing tonight. We're going to help one person out of whoever. You don't have to worry about no donation. None of that. No consultation fee. None of that. We're gonna help you solve your problem. Okay? Real talk. Because our men came over here just to distract and you know, he want to be the God of law. You can have the God of law. You can have that. That's your shit. You the God of law. We the God of results. Okay? We the God of results. We get it cracking over here. We got some more coming. You know what I mean? So,
for sure.
My brother Darth here run the book. You know what I'm talking about? Now, we're going to talk about the real obligor. And write this down, The obligor is somebody who legally binds himself on sheets of paper to pay for somebody else's shit. You know what I'm talking about? Facts and freedom in the house.
That's true.
Now, Darth, tell us your experience, my brother.
Yeah. Hold on 1 second. All right, my experience around which exactly?
With Shamstoppers, my brother.
Oh man. Well, it's been fun. It's just been a lot of back and forth, paperwork, whatever. It was like a battle between paperwork. They try to use the threats. Yeah, pretty much that's all they did was just use threats. They didn't really act on anything they said they're gonna do because each time they said something, there was always a response to it.
Okay, are you on child support?
Then lo and behold, no. Basically.
Okay.
Yeah, I got my lady here right now. Yeah. Oh no, I'm not on it.
Thank you. Like I was saying, fellas, she put your name on that paper. She is liable. Okay? And all that money that you've been paying, get it back. If New York, the state of New York, says that you, in fact, can get your money back, you can get it back because they don't have no refund policy. You know what I'm talking about?
Right.
I mean, asked the question, he said, how did you achieve not being on child support?
I think I answered that.
I'm gonna tell you what's wrong with a lot of people. He talking to you. He talking to you, Darth.
Yeah.
Darth. He talking.
Well, I had already went in there. Yeah, I went in. Yeah, I went in there on the date when I was supposed to go. I stood my ground because, of course, they hit you with threats. It was a battle between. Before I even saw the what you call it, the magistrate, whatnot. They're already trying to control me by having me go past the bar, stuff of that nature. You know, that's just mediocre stuff, small things. And when it came my time, it's on the paper. They saw what I was on. I did not talk about about what they had said for that day. I spoke about what I was, why I was there. I didn't talk about why they wanted me. I spoke about why I was there, because that's what they're trying to do. They're trying to run the whole conversation and then walk me into the whole, well, how much you make, this, that, and the third. But I didn't do any of that stuff. So kept stood my ground, do what I had to do, memorize my paperwork as well as go into deeper into everything else concerning the whole situation. And sure enough, yeah, they just let me go. They didn't do anything drastic like lock me up or whatever. Babe, why are you standing?
Now, let me ask you a question. Are you on child support again for the last time?
I'm not.
Did they send you any paperwork saying you gotta pay? And let me clear this up, fellas.
Did I gotta pay? No.
Let me clear this shit.
Pay? No. No.
Let me clear this shit for the last time. Let me clear this shit up. Fellas, you're not on child support.
Shouldn't work for the masses.
She's on child support.
Well, it work for the masses where everybody is different, man.
Say it again, brother Wasil.
I said you ain't nobody on child support.
Hello.
First off, second off, that's her shit with that application. If you got common sense, I mean, if you got common sense, I don't know if you got common sense or not. I don't know if you smoked it all out, but common sense should tell you the shit ain't yours. I'm in here in Austin, Texas. I ain't giving nobody no free shit.
Uh, hey, brother Wasil, let me give him another secret about this stuff about the baby mama,
Tell
really
them,
quick.
brother. Tell
Hey,
them.
so this baby mama of mine tried to, and this is in Texas too. So she tried to divorce me here in Texas, and they told her, no, go back to your master, no jurisdiction. You can't make that application. I'm serious. I get the whole case. They dismissed it, sent the order to her, say no, nope, no, ma'am, can't divorce this man. You're not married in the U.S. You're married in Mexico, and in Mexico you are his fucking property.
Thank you. Yeah, I mean, this podcast is free.
Right.
It's free, my brother. It's free.
Yeah.
No charge. You know what I mean? It's free. If you want to do some business, we can do it in private. This is public. Okay? See, I'm gonna tell you something with a bunch of older cats. A lot of older cats nowadays are jealous. Okay? And that's sad. Because they don't want to see young bulls. What you say? I mean, needs to take his confrontational BS somewhere. This dude trying to help people. Everyone on child support case is different. You have to obtain the knowledge yourself or pay to be lazy. Kevin Conn in the goddamn house. What's
There
up?
you go, Kevin.
You know what I mean? Dude, what more you want me to put up, man? We giving you the game, bro. We giving people the game out here. It's these hoes. It's these
Hello.
hoes, man. I mean, if you got an obedient woman, man, that's good. You supposed to. But if you ain't calling, you trying to go after somebody, the agency ain't did shit to you. It's the woman signed you up for jail time and shit like that. You know what I mean? She
She went in there and applied
And
for
let me tell you something else. I mean, I got a cousin, a female right now. She called me and asked me what should she do because the agency trying to come after her boyfriend. You know what she did? She said, "Never mind, cuz I'm just gonna tell him that ain't none of your business, and I'm not gonna sign him up for nothing."
Hello. There you go. See how simple that is?
See how simple that is? I mean, you know what I mean? I mean, this agency shit, bro. People tired of that shit, bro. You ain't getting nowhere with that shit. You know what I mean? I get 1,000 calls, free calls. We get 1,000 calls, free calls. You know what I mean? I don't charge nobody. I don't charge nobody to talk. But if you want to do some, do you want us to do some work? You know what I mean? It's different. You got to send a donation. Other than that, we got books, man. I'm sending out books to whoever say they want to read some books. You
Yeah,
know,
man.
I'm getting mine tomorrow.
you know.
Look, look. I'm gonna test to you what you just said about that, brother Wasil. Uh, you pick up the phone, man. Cats can be in the can for this BS, and they call your number, and you pick up the phone. Any other body, any other channel that says that they help out people get off child support. Don't pick up the phone when they get when people call them from the can. They're just trying to scheme you out of your money. That's it. I'm just gonna be honest. It is what it is. They don't know what they're doing. Otherwise, they wouldn't be afraid to pick up the phone. I remember brother Wasil and I were driving, and then a couple of cats called him and said, "Hey, asking him about things. He's attentive, listening, and I'm sure half of you already here. You already know what I'm talking about. Call Brother Wasil, and Brother Wasil
Hmm.
will listen to you. You tell him your story, and he'll listen to you. But if you want, if one thing about Shamstoppers, if you want people to work for you, you gotta pay them. You can't expect things for free. All right. Don't try to enslave people. That's sad that you're trying to say, well, you gotta help people, and you want to help people, you gotta do it for free. No, man. Every person who does some kind of labor, deserves their wages. So don't be expecting things for free, fellas. And then another thing, if you don't like Shamstoppers, go hire a lawyer, see what they do for you. I don't recommend it, but at the end of the day,
Or
I
read a
can't
book.
make you do anything, right?
Right. Now I'm gonna tell y'all something.
Right.
It was somebody that was locked up in jail was calling me constantly, constantly, constantly. Him and his girlfriend. I picked up the phone. He ain't even got our services.
Right. Wow.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah,
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 I
I
remember
remember.
that. I remember
So,
that.
you know, ain't no ill will. You know what I'm talking about? Uh, I mean, we ain't got no beef with you, but all that going back and forth with the other people you kick it with, they talk about us, and y'all see you in the comment section saying "wow," "ooh," and all that old shit. You know what I mean? That's uncalled for, a player. I'm watching you. You watching us? Shit, you watching success.
Right, man. Like if you see you keep asking those questions, and Candace Williams just told you, hey, call in. Man, you got the number right there. I'm sure Brother Wasil will speak to you. Hey, you need some help, man. Sham Stopper's willing to help you, but you gotta be willing to, you gotta
Yeah,
understand, freedom is not free.
yeah. I mean, stop the subliminal shit. You know what I mean? Just
Yeah.
stop the subliminal shit. Real talk. Stop that. Put a stop to that shit. You know what I mean? I don't care. I don't care about.
Man,
I don't give. We don't give a fuck about all those subscribers. We don't care about that.
right. That's not the point of these channels. The point
Right.
of this channel is to set people free. It's not
Right.
about validation. If you want to do validation, all that stuff, go watch the football game. Those people want validation. All right?
Yeah, man.
This is not
Stop with
what this
that
is about.
bullshit, dog. Stop with that bullshit. We straight up.
See, there you go. The subliminals again.
Hey,
That's
congrats to
fine, man.
that,
Look,
man. Congrats. You were free before we were all born, man.
that's
What?
awesome.
Congrats.
We were all free. You weren't the only one.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? I mean, that's cool. You know what I mean? That's cool. You don't need my help. I mean, I'm not gonna beg you for no help either. Shit. You know?
Yeah.
Fuck. I always been successful when I came through my mama coochie hole. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So, you know what I'm talking about? But yeah, with Trick W and Trick W and whoever you are with, I'm not with
W.
all that.
Okay, okay, hold on. Let's get them free. What is that supposed to mean?
And quit your whining. Well, shit, I'm not whining. I'm telling you,
No,
I don't whine. You know
nah.
what I'm talking about? I mean, you two, you. I'm
Well,
a,
hold up. Like brother Wasil, somebody went out there. I'm just gonna, man. Since we're having this conversation about the application for child support, who is the real obligor and all that, right? I just want to say something. Somebody out there threw a video saying they put some kind of warrant or they put some kind of bounty for the Attorney General of Texas and all that, and making it seem like it's some kind of. Man, this is no joke, dude. The Attorney General of Texas, Ken Paxton, he knows where I live. He don't come to my door. He don't even bother me. They run my license plates. They don't even pull me over. They just go on their way. That's what Shamstoppers is about. This is not a sovereign citizen movement, constitutionalist, none of that stuff, man. It's all business.
okay, man. I whine for 10 minutes straight. Okay, all right. We'll let you have it. You right. You want to be right. You don't want to be happy. We're gonna let you have that. Okay.
Oh man.
Yeah, I whine for 10 minutes straight.
Right.
You know what I mean? But you don't want to talk about no bitch though.
Keep drinking.
Cool.
You know what I mean? You don't want to talk about no bitch. I mean, ask me this: why you don't talk about these hoes?
Right.
Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Why you don't talk about these bitches putting niggas on child support? Answer that. You're on our platform. I'm not answering none of your questions. What's up? Why you don't talk about these hoes, player? Oh, you did in the last video? Oh, why? Because you jumping on Shamstoppers bandwagon, right?
Yes, that's what's happening. That's what I saw in the last video.
Man, you too old to be playing games out, man. I'm just gonna be honest with you, bro. You too old to be playing games. You are too old. You should be doing encouragement. We know you want to be the man, the
Hey,
God
my
of God.
brothers, let's go ahead and just
Yeah, let's go ahead and keep talking to these people about the real obligor, man. I think
let's
we.
go ahead, yeah, because this man's not important, bro. Yeah, we already
Yeah,
cleared the air on that one. He's not important. He's not that important.
But
Just
no,
said
but
that.
but we gotta make a point. We gotta make a point on this one, though, fellas. If you're from other platforms,
I mean, the point
because
was
you're trying.
already made. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. But okay, so there's another one though. Like for instance, if you're another from other platforms trying to get some info so you can go sell it and claim it is yours, that's fine, man. Look, listen, no hate, because at the end of the day, something that's you didn't create, you try to put it out there, the truth's gonna come out. All right, I forgot the name of the movie, but I'll find the name of a movie. I'm probably gonna do a video about it, so you guys can watch when somebody steals somebody's idea and they try to put it out there as if it's theirs. The truth comes out, and the idea doesn't work because the creative or that creature that was created by its creator will only respond to its creator, just
right.
like a dog only obeys his master.
Well,
So
check
that piece, yeah, go ahead.
this out. Now, I'm gonna go wrap it up, and I'm gonna sign off. All right. It's the bitch. Okay. I mean, no, sir. You want to talk about no bitch? We're just gonna put it out there like that because you erased all your videos, player. Okay. I ain't erasing shit, and I ain't disabling no comments either. All right. So you free, whoever free to comment, you're gonna get your ass towed up off the frame. Real talk. You might have forgiveness for these bitches. I don't. That's up to the man upstairs. He is forgiveness. He does forgiving. We don't at Shamstoppers. No, you're not asking the right questions. Why don't you go after these hoes? I mean,
Right.
hold on, let him answer. Answer why you don't go after these hoes.
Is this clout chasing that I'm seeing right now, man?
No, hold on. Yeah, hold on.
Give you some time. The person who wants.
We go after the person who want. Why don't you go after these hoes out, man? Just answer the question, bro. Use your brain, common sense. Stop smoking that shit. Common sense. Why do you go after these hoes?
What rights are you talking about, man?
I mean, last time, why you don't go after these hoes, player? Hold on, y'all. Why you don't talk about the bitch, bro? Why don't you be cussing these hoes out?
I just want to know how many fellas are following those channels who believe that the woman is God.
Hold on, wait a minute.
I don't believe none of that.
Wait a minute, y'all.
I'm just saying, man, y'all.
Wait a
Come
minute,
on.
y'all. Wait. I mean, why you don't go after these hoes, player?
Are the hoes taking your money? Did they put
Yeah,
you
yeah.
in jail? No, it's the agency.
What agency? Can a
Hold
piece
on.
of paper
Hold
can a
on.
piece of paper do something wrong to you?
Hold on. Are these hoes taking your money? Do they put you in jail? No, it's the agency. Women are God's dear helpers.
Right.
Man,
A
stay
piece
off
of
the
paper.
drugs, dog. Stay off the fucking drugs. You know what I'm talking about?
A fucking
Uh,
statue. A magic spell, man.
yeah, man. Oh man, somebody got some juju on you, bro. Uh, we do spiritual cleansing too. I mean, we do those too. If you want some spiritual cleansings, we'll do that too. We will wipe all that that vaginal spiritual shit off of you. You know what I mean? Real talk, bro. Real talk. Um, it's the bitch, dog. That's why we so successful.
That's the
Okay,
secret.
because we go after the bitch.
Always will be.
She did it, bro. The agency ain't knock on your door and say
Attack the
you
root.
on child support. You know what I mean? Real talk. Help
When you
me.
kill the weeds, you go after the roots, not the stem.
Help men with child
That's how it
support
go.
first.
Exactly. You go after the root of the problem, my man. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you for coming over here. You want to be the man. You are the man. You are the
Yep.
man tonight who love the bitch. You just proved that.
Shit.
Thank you for setting yourself up tonight, player. You love these hoes. You the Captain Sabo of this child support arena. You know what I mean? You gonna wear that, you and the other niggas. You know what I mean? And congrats on your success as well. Okay.
Yeah.
I gave you some information tonight. You know what I mean? Don't blow it through it in all one time. You know what I'm talking about? And that's all I gotta say, player. Thanks for dropping by Shamstoppers. You know what I'm saying? One thing we do over here to be successful, we do the things that you ain't gonna do. You ain't gonna talk to these fellas like we do. You know what I mean?
You want to know why I like to push people beyond their limits? Because there's
Why?
no fucking limits on people. There's no such thing as limits. It's only in their minds.
Exactly.
That's why I talk to them the way I talk to them and tell them to do things that they're so afraid of doing. You know, fear is nothing but a false evidence appearing real, or yeah, something like that.
Exactly. So
So, nah, man, you don't have any limits. All this shit about being fear over a woman who is gonna hit the wall at the age of 26. After that, she starts decaying like milk. It is what it is, man. Call it for what it is. When you start realizing that truth, man, you start being a free man, completely free. All right. So the what I'm saying here is, fellas, you know, put your game on. All right. The whole thing, you're living in a goddamn court called the world. And if you don't put your game on, somebody's gonna game you. Right? You see a lot of fellas out here trying to game you, just like so-called agency, quote unquote, which is, they're trying to game you, but it all starts with the bitch. You don't go after that disobedient woman. You forgive her. You are usurping a place that doesn't belong to you. You're nobody to forgive nobody. That's only a right of the Almighty Creator. Us, we just go and do what we need to do as human beings for survival. It is what it is.
right, right.
So, fellas, we just gave you the game.
Yeah. I mean, you the agency killer. If people want to go fight the agency, go holler at that man. All right. You want to fuck with us to make that bitch go to jail or get any kind of money back? Fuck with us. You know what I mean? Real talk.
Yeah, go fight that $1 billion agency.
$1 trillion, man. Trillions of
Yeah,
dollars.
y'all have fun with that. Oh,
Yeah.
it's trillions now. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If
Yeah,
you
y'all
got
do
the
all that.
money, hey,
Yeah, yeah,
man.
yeah, yeah.
Shout outs to you. Hey, by all means, that's good.
And for the last time, we about to.
Hey, I second that though. Fight, period.
Yeah, do fight. Yeah.
So we about to sign off, people. And remember this: we helping people out here. I see you, Broderick. We helping people out here who ain't got services from any other people on YouTube, if you ain't got services from nobody and you fresh, hit us up. We got you. We're gonna have a drawing by the end of the night. Peace.
Peace, fellas.
Peace.